Hello YouTube, we're going to be working on this Mercury. This is a 2+2 motor, and it's a 125 horse, 2-stroke. We're going to be working on it a little bit, doing regular maintenance on it. This is how it looks like after you remove the cover off of it. And basically we're going to be replacing these spark plug wires and some other things too. The fuel filter and the oil on the bottom, and I'll be showing y'all how to do that. So they're very easy, simple engines to work with. Once you learn how to do them, piece of cake. But there's a couple tricks about changing these wires out right here, and I'll explain it little by little. This is the kit that I bought. Quicksilver part numbers, as you can tell. Comes with 4 of them, and they're lubed up already. And these are the wires. Now, interesting, at the end, it has this little connector here, and then this is how it looks like if it focuses. That's how it looks like, guys. So how are you supposed to replace them? Well, I'm about to show you. You take your wire, and you're going to twist it. Pop it off first. And you're going to twist the wire out. And as you tell when you look at it, you have a little hole, right? And then inside, you have like a little shank, kind of looks like a drywall screw coming out. And that's where you take your knee wire, if it focuses, and you're gonna put it in to the hole, and then you're gonna twist it in, and that's how you replace the wires. You also want to do is take these wires and cut them to length. So you have your little boot, slide your boot down, and then just basically cut them to length. Take the new wire that's already cut, and then you want to start twisting it in place so that shank can grab it. You'll see that it'll stop spinning because it basically, the rubber itself has hit the back of it, and that's at the end of it right there. So then you push your little grommet back in there, make sure it's nice, and then you go ahead and plug that bad boy up. By the way, I already replaced the spark plug itself. Shouldn't do a video for that. I mean, that's pretty simple, right? The only thing I can tell you is that I use the NGK part number, basically the factory spark plug for it. It works just fine. Okay, there's a click. Once you have the click, it's already in there and secure. Okay, well, this is how the finished job looks like. I went ahead and also restrapped them up, not too tight, but just put new straps in them, each one. That way when you put your cover in, it doesn't hit, your spark plugs or whatnot, and also they don't vibrate on the cover. So I cut them to length and also strapped them up. And that's how they were from the factory, but the little straps, little thingamajigs were all broken up, so I went ahead and restrapped them up. So this is how it looks, guys. And just to give you an update too, I also went ahead and replaced the fuel filter here, just preventive maintenance. You can just pop off from here the line, put a new filter in. I use a Quicksilver one, and also I always keep this level not really too much past this, around that area, because if you go farther up. If you do twist your engine all the way up when you're driving down the road, it'll leak out and then it'll create a mess and it just looks bad. So I keep it right around here. I just came back from a trip from Crystal River, so, but yeah, it doesn't waste a lot of oil at all. But that's one thing that I always do and I like to mention. Also, the oil here, easy to replace. On the lower drive, you have these guys are pretty easy, and there's one back here. So you pull the oil out and you put the new one until it starts coming out. So pretty simple, guys. And you just, you know, use what the factory requirement is. On these guys, you want to make sure when you're going to do it, you know, get this screwdriver nice and flat on there. You don't want to strip them, you know. So, but yeah, that's basically it. Guys, if you have any questions about anything, let me know. My boat is a fish and ski Sea Ray. I do a lot of fishing with it and some fun stuff. If I got any questions about anything, I'm not a boat mechanic, but I am a certified technician for Toyota for many years and many other automotive groups. So, you know, but it's simple stuff, guys. You don't really need to be a technician or a mechanic or, you know, anything like that. If you follow through with the video, it's very easy. And if you have any questions, again, just send me a question on it, and I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. Okay.